Green finance is transforming the way customers think about their money, yet most people still don't fully understand what their financial choices mean for the planet. That's where consumer awareness campaign come in, and in the niche finance marketing world, they are becoming one of the most powerful tools for shaping modern investor behavior. The challenge is that sustainability, climate risk, and ethical investing and complicated topics, and most brands either oversimplify them or down audience in technical jargon. Real impact happens when a campaign bridges that gap, making green financial both understandable and personal relevant. When a brand can explain how everyday financial decisions influence environmental outcomes, consumers don't just pay attention, they take action. The heart of a strong green finance awareness campaign lies into storytelling. Numbers, carbon metrics, and ESG scores don't resonate until they connect to something human, something relatable. People want to see how their saving account support renewable energy project and how their investment portfolio contributes to cleaner cities and healthier communications. Campaigns that highlight real-world impact, like a solar farm funded by customer deposit or a micro loan program helping sustainable business grow, tend to inspire much deeper engagement. The approach transforms abstract ideas into something tangible, and that drives both interest and trust. On YouTube, this topic performs especially well because viewers actively search for content that demystifies sustainable investing and helps them navigate the growing world of green finance. Videos that break down green bond, ethical banking, sustainable portfolios, or climate-focused fintech tools attract strong watch time because they offer clear value. But what truly sets a channel apart is presenting this information through a marketing lens, showing not just what green finance is, but how people brands can communicate it more responsibility and creatively. High SEO keywords like green finance explained, sustainable investing, ethical banking, and SEO-friendly finance campaign helps bring in viewers who want guidance they can trust. A successful campaign also needs to be a transparent. Consumers are becoming more aware of greenwashing, so any sustainable claim must be backed by verifiable data. This means marketers must clearly explain how impact is measured, what standards is used, and what long-term goal that company is working toward. When a brand is honest about both its achievements and its challenges, audience feel respected rather than sold to, and that sense of respect leads to strong loyalty. Ultimately, green finance consumer awareness campaign are not just about promoting products, they are about reshaping financial culture. By educating people simply complex ideas and the effect of financial choices, brands position themselves as leaders in a rapidly evolving market, and in a world where consumers are more eco-conscious than ever. Meaningful communication becomes the key of standard out, inspiring action, and building financial brand that feels both modern and generally responsible.